Well, hello everyone. Just to get us started off here, is this not so cool? We have a custom coin mat from Seeker. There's his little mark down there. And I'm going to be right back with this. So I'll see you in a second. Look out, Sophie. I'm filming. Okay, here we are now. This has been some time getting back to you. I had that other project to take care of, and I am so very happy that so many of you came to visit and want to crack at this little girl. So as I said before, if you don't want this rippled one, I'll make a smooth one and Stampin' Up any way you want. So for those of you that didn't get in this time around, I'll be back, and I would sure love to see you on my next giveaway. So this has all been great fun, and now I am going to hand you over to Canadian Silver Saver, because he is my right and left hand man when it comes to running my little silver thing here and doing my videos, and has turned out to be a real good friend. And now to all you other real good friends, let's see who gets to win this beautiful little 2-ounce Molly bar. So we'll see you real shortly. Bye now, and good luck to everyone.
Welcome back, everybody. Canadian Silver Saver here, and this is an awesome thing to be able to do this with my buddy Dean there out at Tomoko's Enterprise. So Dean's been working hard on his channel for a while here, and your support is truly appreciated from Dean and myself, of course, but you know, it really touches his heart to all the support that he gets out there. He loves being in touch with the community, and really adds a spark to his and some excitement to his life for sure. So thanks to everybody for the support on his channel. And Dean wanted to give back, so being that I am the technical guy on the kind of hidden back end of him, I'm going to be doing the draw. And we're going to do the draw using, there's 86 entries, and those people are selected based on if they were a viewer before the contest was launched. Moving forward to the next giveaway that he does, he'll do a draw for them as well. So, and everybody included that. So he wanted to be fair. He didn't want to have people just kind of jumping on and trying to get in there because there was a giveaway, and that's why he chose to do it this way. But with all that said, let's get to it here, and we'll show you the Excel file, and I'm going to be using random.org, and we're going to be using World Time Server to show you the time that we're drawing to make it as fair as possible with everything that's going on. So with that said, we're going to do the draw at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time in Ontario, Canada here. You'll see that on the World Time Server, and we'll get to that part in just a second here. So stand by. Let's switch over to that screen. Alright, so what I want to do here is, you'll see it's kind of done in a different way here. I'm actually on a phone, on a camera, showing the screens, and I do this for certain reasons. Really kind of helps show that there's no doctoring going on. You'll see here, there's the time from World Time Server on the left here, so Sunday, July 29th. We're going to do this at 4:15 p.m. And here are the 86 spots. You can pause that and check it out again if you want. But I'm Let's see, we can scroll all the way down so we can see them all. There we go. You see all 86 spots there. So, you know, I'm doing this for Dean, everybody. I really want to keep this as simple as possible. And, you know, Dean and I want to be as fair as we can to everybody. But a little snapshot, and I guess a little shameless plug here for my stuff. If you head over here, it's Canadian Silver Saver Contest, Collectibles, and Items for Sale. I can add you to the group, and that's where you'll see raffles and things done, and how I utilize this type of format here. We put the numbers in here, and then you watch the clock while we do the draw, and then that way there's no kind of debate on what's going on. So what we're going to do here at 4:15 p.m. Announce that again there, so that you know that's the exact time we're going to do that on Sunday, July 29th. So we're just about a minute 40 away there. We'll do 3 spins. So 3 spins. So I'll just have the number count. 3 spins. And the third spin will be spot number 1, will be the winner of the Molly bar that Dean has there. And he keeps saying, you know, people, if you don't want that one, he will make another one for you. So that's great. But, you know, it's a pretty sweet bar, and I think it's awesome that Dean's doing this anyways. So, yep, there we go. There's the spots there. Now, because we're almost getting up to time, I will show you. Here's the actual list. I'll scroll up here. See, there's the, you can pause there and see all the different spots. And we'll minimize. And we got 37 seconds left there, so 40 seconds, or 20 seconds. So I'll kind of scroll down again there. You can see. So whatever number you are, that is the number you are for the draw. They are in alphabetical order. So oops, let's minimize that. All right, 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. All right, so we'll just scroll down here. It's gonna move so we can see the actual random button. And here we go. Click number 1. Dun, dun, dun. You can see there's all the numbers there. We gotta go down the bottom. See, it says spin again. Click number 2. Dun, dun, dun. All the way down to the bottom here. And you can see it tells you here that we've spun 2 times. So click again, and the winner is number 44. So congratulations. And we always do a zoom in on the groups on that to show you nice and clear with the time and everything there. Zoom back again, and just to see the whole list is there, and to show you that this was spun 3 times, and the winner is number 44. So congratulations. Let's check out who that is. And number 44 is Life with Laura Michaels. That is pretty awesome. To see somebody that's maybe a little bit newer into the groups that I've seen here, but that's awesome. So congratulations to Life with Laura Michaels. We will be in touch, and then you have a certain, you know, we'll give you a little bit of time to be in touch back, and yeah, we'll go from there. So for some reason, everybody, Laura Michaels does not claim the prize. Number 2 gets it. That's number 70. And if they don't claim it, number 3, number 39. So default number 70. If Laura doesn't claim it, silver D510. And then who was the other one there again? Sorry, number 39. So if neither of them claim it, number 39, John Hartley, you'll get it. So let's see what happens here. But Life with Laura Michaels, congratulations. You are the winner. We will highlight you as the winner there. And that's awesome. So thanks for hanging out here, everybody. And big congratulations to everybody, or to the winner. And thank you to everybody for being part of Dean's awesome contest.